Building a family machine shop was Dad's big dream. I never dreamed it would become mine. My definition of a dreamer is someone that thinks up the unimaginable, someone that has these ideas. A doer is someone that gets excited about what the dreamer brings and runs with it. So I thought my dream was to be an orthodontist, and after my junior year of school, I was working on the shop floor at Swiss Precision and realized, hey, we're making the tools that the orthodontists use. And my dream was really to follow my dad's footsteps to see if this is something I could really do. Like my dad kind of showed me and directed me to of, lead your people and let them do it. Just guide them to get there. I hope I instill a dream in my doers. So some of the old ways that we used to do things may be not as efficient or a little bit obsolete. So at IMTS we were able to see more efficient, better technologies. Everything's under that one roof at IMTS. You see everything there. And that's why it's so valuable. You get to just see all things manufacturing, all things technology in one building.
Sky-high dreams need soaring solutions. Manufacturing soars where dreamers and doers connect.